Eccoci qua! Today I'll show you one of the most iconic pasta dishes from Rome, pasta alla Gricia. Prima di tutto, let's talk about the ingredients. It's not gonna take us this long because they're just 5. Pasta, water and salt. And then the stars, pecorino and guanciale. Guanciale, long answer short, it's cured pork. It's seasoned with salt, pepper and herbs. Those ones may differ from region to region as much as the aging. Let's say that for this last one there's a minimum of 30 days and a maximum of 3 months. Best guanciale usually comes from Central Italy, and the ones from Toscana, Lazio and Abruzzo are my favorites. This has been a shepherd area for centuries, and guanciale was a lifesaver. They used to do every year this long walk from the center to the south called transumanza, and guanciale was perfect because it's easy to preserve, it's already aged and cured, and it's packed with calories, so it's perfect to keep the journey going. Another ingredient that never misses for those shepherd, for the same exact reasons, was pecorino. Pecora in Italian means sheep, so pecorino is basically cheese made from sheep milk. Here the variety is even bigger. There's literally tens of different pecorinos around Italy. The one that we're using today, it's Pecorino Romano DOP. That DOP at the end, it's very important. You see it for many Italian products. In English will be PDO, Protected Designation of Origins. This makes Pecorino Romano DOP a very niche product that can be produced just in certain areas of Italy following very strict rules. Those rules regulate every step of the process, from the sheep breed to what they eat, to the temperature that the cheese is made, to the amount of salt, insomma letteralmente tutto. By the way, let's talk less and start cooking. Pasta alla Gricia. Here's the recipe. Start by cutting the guanciale in thin slices or small cubes. I'll go with the second one. Then heat up a skillet and put the guanciale in it with no olive oil and nothing. The fat from the guanciale is gonna be enough. Keep it high for 1 or 2 minutes, always mixing. Then reduce the heat and let it cook until it's crispy enough for your taste. This is gonna take about 10 minutes, so in the meantime, let's keep going. Next step, very easy, will be boiling a large pot of salted water for pasta. I'm doing it inside because if I switch off 2 induction stoves at once, I'm gonna probably cause a blackout in the entire Manhattan. As soon as the water boils, you gotta put the pasta in because we'll need starchy water to make the cheese cream. It's gonna take 3 or 4 minutes for the pasta to release enough starch in the water. So in the meantime, watch this step closely because if you master it, you're gonna learn 3 pasta dishes at once. Cacio e pepe, which you already have the video, the links will show up here or here. Gricia, the one that we're making today. Carbonara, which will be out next week, so here's the moment when you subscribe to the channel, so you're not gonna miss it. Finally, shave abundant pecorino in a metal bowl and then add half a ladle pretty much of cooking water and mix energetically. You're looking for a dense and uniform cream, so add water carefully, because it's easier to correct the sauce adding more water than correcting a sauce that is too watery. To do that, you're gonna have to add the pecorino. The result is not the best, and pecorino, to be honest, it's not the cheapest ingredient, right? We have the cream, the water is almost ready, the guanciale is crisp enough. Now we're gonna remove almost all of it and dry the pasta directly into the skillet, followed this time by a generous scoop of cooking water. Mix until the water evaporates, already leaving that creamy texture to the pasta. Once you have it, turn the heat off, wait 1 or 2 minutes to bring the temperature of the pot and the pasta down, and then scoop the cream into the pasta. Same rules as the cream making. Add water carefully and mix energetically. This should ensure a perfect creamy and uniform result. We just have to plate it, so we put back the guanciale where it belongs, more pecorino on top, and you're ready to eat. And here is pasta alla grigia, the last one. In the Roma Primi Piatti Climax Trinity. It's a climax because cacio e pepe is the most simple, and as I said, you already have a video. Then we have the gricia, this one, so cacio e pepe with guanciale, and then the last one, carbonara, which to the grigia you add eggs. So here again, a reminder to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go through my lunch. Thank you for watching. Ciao.